Hi everyone, in this video you will get to learn how to construct an if formula. An if formula is used when you want to check if a condition is true. You want to put one value into a cell and you want to put another value into a cell if the condition is false, or you want to do one thing when the condition holds true and you want to do another thing when the condition holds false. To write an if formula, the syntax is just like here. So the syntax is equal sign if and then open parenthesis, and then you put a condition that you want to check. For example, if value in a particular cell greater than 0 or not. If yes, or if the value is true, meaning it's greater than 0, you want to put one value here, and then comma, and then another value when the condition is false, right? So for example, if you want to check whether the value in B6 greater than 0. If it's greater than 0, you want to put the word profits. If not, you want to put the word loss, right? So in this table right here, see this table right here, it shows the name of the product and then the profit that each product makes, right? And then if you want to be able, let me clear the content first. If you want to be able to put the word profit or loss in column C here, right? So instead of manually typing profit, loss, profit, and so on, right? You have an if statement as your helper in this case, because if the value in column B is greater than 0, meaning you make a profit, right? And then if the values in this column B is not greater, for example in B7 is not greater, meaning you make loss, right? So in this case you only want to check if B6 greater than 0 or not. If yes, the second parameter is the value when condition is true, right? So it's profit. And then the third parameter is the value when the condition is false, right? So it's a loss. So in this case, basically you just type in the formula like we had a look at before. So it's B6, which is this cell right here, greater than 0. If yes, we want to put the word profit, right? And if not, we want to put the word loss. And that's it. You get profit. And then when you copy the cell, B6 will change to B7, B8, B9, so on, right? So you get B7 greater than 0 or not? No, right? So you get a loss. B8, is it greater than 0? Yes. Then you get a profit. B9, is it greater than 0? Yes, you get a profit. B10, is it greater than 0? No, you get a loss, right? But now it comes to this cell here where the profit is actually 0, right? The profit is actually 0. But then with the formula you wrote earlier, you get a loss, right? But in fact, 0 is not a loss, right? It's not exactly a loss. It's if I want to show the word at par instead when it's when the profit here is not negative and it's not positive, meaning it's 0, you can do so by making a little change to your if formula, right? So in this case, your if formula can be nested, meaning if B is not greater than 0, you want to be able to check whether it's equal to 0 or not, right? So if it's not, so in this case, if it's not greater than 0, is it equal to 0? If yes, you want to put the word at par. If not, you want to put the word loss.